Dreaming of studying in Belgium? From world-class universities to stunning medieval cities, Belgium is the perfect place to study abroad. But first, you need a student visa. Here's exactly how to apply in 2025. Belgium is home to top universities like KU Leuven and Ghent University, affordable tuition fees, and a multicultural environment. Plus, it's in the heart of Europe, making travel a breeze. Get accepted to a recognized Belgian university. You'll need your acceptance letter for the visa application. If you need help on how to get admission to any Belgian universities, don't hesitate to contact us. Gather your documents. Here's what you'll need. Valid passport. Acceptance letter. Proof of financial means, around €700 per month. Health insurance. Passport-sized photos. Proof of accommodation and a strong tie at home to show that after your study you will go back to your home country. Apply at the Belgian embassy or consulate in your home country. Some countries allow online applications, so check their website. Attend the visa interview. Be prepared to answer questions about your study plans and financial situation. Wait for approval. Processing times vary, so apply early. Pro tips. Apply at least 3 months before your program starts. Double-check all documents to avoid delays. Learn some basic French or Dutch to make your stay easier. Ready to start your Belgian adventure? Follow these steps, and you'll be on your way. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more study abroad tips. See you in Belgium.